Erik Erikson's theory of social development is a fascinating framework that outlines 8 critical stages we all navigate from infancy to adulthood. Each stage presents a unique challenge that shapes our personality and social skills. Let's dive into these stages and explore their significance, especially for educators and from an Islamic perspective on character development. The first stage is trust versus mistrust, occurring in infancy. Here, babies learn to trust their caregivers. If their needs are consistently met, they develop a sense of security. This foundational trust is crucial as it influences their future relationships. For teachers, understanding this stage helps in creating a nurturing environment where students feel safe and valued. Next, we have autonomy versus shame and doubt, which happens during toddlerhood. Children begin to assert their independence. When encouraged to explore and make choices, they develop confidence. However, if they're overly controlled, they may feel shame. Educators can foster autonomy by allowing students to make decisions in their learning, promoting self-esteem and responsibility. The third stage, initiative versus guilt, occurs in preschool years. Children start to initiate activities and assert control over their environment. If they're supported, they develop initiative. If criticized, they may feel guilt. Teachers can encourage initiative by providing opportunities for creative expression and leadership in the classroom. In middle childhood, we encounter industry versus inferiority. Here, children compare themselves to peers and develop a sense of competence. Success in school and social interactions fosters a sense of industry, while failure can lead to feelings of inferiority. Educators play a vital role by recognizing achievements, no matter how small, and fostering a growth mindset. As we transition to adolescence, we face identity versus role confusion. Teenagers explore different identities and seek to understand who they are. This stage is critical for developing a strong sense of self. Teachers can support this exploration by encouraging open discussions about values, beliefs, and aspirations, helping students navigate their identities. The fifth stage, intimacy versus isolation, occurs in young adulthood. Here, individuals seek meaningful relationships. Success leads to deep connections, while failure can result in loneliness. Educators can emphasize the importance of collaboration and teamwork, helping students build strong interpersonal skills that will serve them throughout life. In middle adulthood, we encounter generativity versus stagnation. Adults strive to contribute to society and support the next generation. Those who succeed find fulfillment in nurturing others, while those who feel stagnant may struggle with a sense of unproductiveness. Teachers can inspire generativity by encouraging community service and mentorship programs. Finally, we reach integrity versus despair in late adulthood. Individuals reflect on their lives, seeking a sense of fulfillment. Those who feel they've lived meaningfully experience integrity, while others may face despair. Educators can help by fostering a culture of reflection and gratitude, encouraging students to appreciate their journeys. From an Islamic perspective, each of these stages aligns with the principles of character development. Islam emphasizes the importance of nurturing trust, autonomy, and community, guiding individuals toward becoming compassionate and responsible members of society. By integrating these values into education, we can cultivate not just knowledgeable students, but also morally grounded individuals. Understanding Erikson's stages equips educators with the tools to support their students' development holistically. By recognizing the challenges at each stage, we can create an environment that fosters growth, resilience, and a strong sense of identity, ultimately shaping well-rounded individuals ready to contribute positively to the world.